14 panda bears in our country. They all belong to China, and all the offspring moved to China. Well, not anymore. We're done. Yeah, if they don't renew our loan in 2018, we won't have pandas here. So this fence tells you we're not part of the zoo. We are on loan from China for research. Okay, that's a great picture. Share that spot once you get that picture. So he's 4. He'll move to China in 2018. If they do not renew that loan in 2018, we're out of here. We're gone. I will tell you this personally.
For all the goodies, because he, just like Mom, he's kind of a dessert first kind of guy. Wasn't always the case. He didn't used to like the supplements. In fact, Mom let him stay around an extra month because he wasn't going after those. He just wanted the bamboo. And there's an unlimited supply of bamboo, but the supplements there's a limited supply of. He's very pretty. He's very cute. He is not sweet. Just wanted to put it out there. No, they're bears. They can be just as aggressive as any other bears. If you're looking for that really white, really soft, really cuddly panda, we do have those here. They're in the gift shop. Yeah. So once you've gotten a few pictures of him, folks, we do have a pretty good line back here. I'm going to ask you to share that spot. Giant pandas don't do that very well, but people typically do. Everybody's going to get a turn, sweetie, I promise. So again, folks, I do appreciate you sharing. We've got people back here who haven't gotten a turn yet. You're welcome to come back through as many times as you'd like. The line is going to get a lot shorter here very quickly. And do feel free to go around if you want to. You don't have to stand in a single file line, but I will ask that you're polite. So if somebody is trying to...
That's what you call 5-star room service. Yeah. If I don't have to work, I'm not going to work.
Done? Are you done?
So right now he's eating biscuits, smelling bamboo. They smell the bamboo before they eat it. In the wild, he would smell the bamboo for us. The piece that he liked, he'd chop it down himself with his mouth. He would break that off with his mouth. And they usually pull it over their shoulder and start from the top and eat down. He has a gardener. Do you see the long pieces sitting up there? We pre-crack those so he does not injure his teeth. First thing that goes on a panda bear is his teeth. He's a carnivore, so he does not have flat, grinding teeth. He has canine teeth, and he can only chew up and down. He can't grind his teeth. But he can wear those teeth down in 10 to 15 years. And in the wild, they die between 15 and 20 years old. This is what you call the bad photo moment.
The bad photo moment.
I've been with them 20 years. I've seen more of their rear end than their front end. You're welcome. You have a good day. So you'll notice he's not sparkling white. That's because he's not on a postcard or in a magazine. He's real. And real pandas are not sparkling white, unless your mama is. She's princess. You can tell them apart by their markings, even though they're black and off-white. You can tell them by their markings. All their eye patches are different. They walk differently. They hold their body, their ears differently. So he has been independent from his mom since he was 18 months old. He's 4. Ooh, you got apples. Come get your apples. On the log. Come get them. She didn't put anything up there. Oh, I see it. I think that's too high for you. On the log. Getting warm. There it is. There it is. That's the rear end you have to Photoshop, guys. Now he's so cute. He's not sweet, but he's cute. Once they get to be about 65 pounds, they want to play hardball near the ball. They're really, really rough. This little bear used to climb up in our laps and go to sleep in our office. But now he's no longer huggable or squeezable. And I'm not going to have a 168-pound bear sitting in my lap. But he is ever so cute. Really, really cute. But you can handle them very easily until they're about 65, 70 pounds. A grown man, if you're used to handling 100 pounds, they can handle a 100-pound bear well. They can be aggressive. They're not sweet. They can be aggressive. This panda would try to get away from you. If it has an opportunity to get away from you, it's going to get away from you. If you make that very bad decision to corner a panda bear, you have just lost the game. You're going to need medical care after the bear. That bear's going to hurt you bad. So if that bear can get away from you, a panda bear, he gets away from you, you're safe. He feels safe. He will not approach you. If he doesn't know you, does not trust you, he's not going to get anywhere near you. But if you corner him or startle them, you lose. It's all over right there. He would not eat you. He's a vegetarian. But he could hurt you bad. Okay, once you get a picture, move up. Sherry, he's going to take a nap after.